copy the command, and create a folder with your project name. And then open VS Code. Now paste the command and enter. Now go to the docs and upgrading version 15 and copy the command. Then open your terminal and add --legacy-peer-deps. Okay, we need to do a step more. Go to React docs, copy the dependency section and replace them in your package.json. Do the same with overrides section. Now delete your Node models folder and install it again. But add --legacy-peer-deps. Now run your server. Okay, we have React Native with Next.js 15. And Next.js 15 is ready. Thank you for watching.